Alexander here once again from datafordev.com with your daily tutorial. I'm going to be showing you here how you can very quickly analyze data in SPSS, especially when you want to do descriptive statistics. So what I do is I select all the variables. I'm going to start with the continuous variables. So I pick the first one and press the Control key and hold it and then select all my continuous variables. Then I right click and choose descriptive statistics. SPSS knows that we're dealing with continuous variables, so we need summary statistics. I'm going to go back. So I'm going to do the same thing, but this time with categorical variables. So I'll select the first one, press Control key, then select the other categorical variable, and once again, right click and go to descriptive statistics. And once again, SPSS knows these are categorical variables, so we have frequencies.